Hey guys, what's up? It is Chelsea. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special edition of the October Cat Lady box. It's not really special edition, but I consider it a special edition. Every year in October, Cat Lady Box does a special black cat box, and for many of you that have been subscribed here for a while, you know I have my own little black kitty. She's the greatest. She's awesome. Like, I love her. And it's so important to me that I know like black cats get such a bad rep, and it's so sad. Like, I hate that. I hear stories about how black cats are tortured because some people think that they're bad luck or whatever. They're just not good, and that's not true. And I'm happy that Cat Lady Box has a black cat box, because Natalie's a sweetheart and she has been abused in her past, and I can only imagine if it had to do with her being a black cat. Makes me sad. Black cats are not bad. They're beautiful, beautiful, beautiful creatures, and I love my little Natalie. And yeah, anyways, enough rambling. Before we open the box, so really quickly, if you are new here, I hope you will subscribe. I'm doing a video every day in October. If you've missed any of the videos, I will have the playlist at the end during the end slate, and you can go ahead and click there so you can watch all the videos that you've missed. Lucky for you, it's only day 11, so you haven't missed much yet, but I mean 11 is still a lot to miss. So anyways, that is enough rambling. Let me open special black cat box. Oh yeah. Oh yep, see, there's a little black kitty. Yep, look how cute. Of course it says on the back, the black cat box, which they do every year. Makes me so happy. Alright, okay, well, the first thing I see in here, I feel like we get one of these every year for the black cat box, and because it's Halloween soon, we got some kitty ears. I'm gonna put that on. Ooh, they're sparkly. Yay! Look at that. Like sparkly all around, black on the back. Can't do a black cat box without wearing the black cat ears, right? Well, in this case, there's sparkly ears. Alright, so next thing in here is, looks like a cat toy. And there's just this long little snaky, is it supposed to be a black cat? Black cat tail toy. Floofy and fluffy, it says. It's got a little face on it. Come here, Nat. We're doing the black cat box. You should come here. You should come here. Or put this here. Yeah, come get it. Oh, big stretch first. Big stretch. Come here. Come here. Oh, if you heard that, that's Natalie. Come here. Do you want this? Give it to you. Come here. I give it to you. Want it? I'll put it right there. Hmm? Oh, no. I tried to get her and she's like, nope. Nope, I don't think so. I'll play here, okay? You can have that. We'll let her try and play with that. Alright, next in here, we have some cat glitter coasters. Ooh! There's a set of 4. Are you interested? You hear the crinkle paper? Oh, these are cool. So they're all individually wrapped, which is awesome. Ooh, so pretty. They really sparkle. Try not to get the light from my computer. So pretty. So we got 4 of those. Awesome, awesome. Try and put that back in here. Okay, so we got 4 coasters. What is this? What is this? It's a long sleeve shirt. Yes. This is cool. It's a black shirt with cats on it. Love it. It's starting to get a little chilly here, so this is gonna work out beautifully. Love it. I love Cat Lady box shirts. They're so fantastic. Before we get into this big thing in here. So we have one more cat toy. This is the Imperial Cat Catnip Critters. Of course, the black cat. Looks like this. It's kind of cute looking. Oh, he's got a tail. He's got a little tail. Look at that. Natalie, look what else I have. It smells like catnip. I know you're interested. I really want her. Like, how can I not have Natalie in this video? Come here, Nanette. Look it. There's toys for you. And then last in this box we have a black cat photo frame. Get it open. Come on now. Come on out of here. Put that on my coffee. Cute. Nice. 4x6. Looks like this. And of course it's got the backing. Cute. So I can put a nice picture of Dusty and Natalie in here. Too bad they don't sit still next to each other long enough for me to get a picture. Alright, so that is everything in this box. Let's just make sure we have everything. So we have the black cat picture frame. Yes. We have the black cat coasters, a set of 4. Yes. We have our black cat long exclusive shirt. Yes, we do. We have our black cat tail toy right here. Perfect. And then we have our hand knit black cat catnip toy, which is right here. You want this? Come here. I almost had her. Almost had her. So this thing. Well, come here. There you go. There you go. You'll play with it? Oh, get it, Nat. Got you. You have to be in the video. So this is Natalie. This is who I was talking about. You have to be in the video. I'm sorry. This is the black cat box. Okay? Alright, so that is everything that is in my box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you to our special guest Natalie for joining us, even though she could not really bother to care to join us. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit your post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a video. I am doing a video every day here in October. And until next time, Natalie and I will see you later. Can you say goodbye? Say goodbye. Ready? Goodbye. Goodbye. Are you done? Are you angry with your mother? Mwah. So bye. Goodbye. Is that your new toy?